We are making fruity ice cream, and we want to just say that you probably see us making lots of ice creams during the summer. There is an awesome trick to make a good, healthy ice cream, and that is, hold on, frozen bananas. Do you like frozen bananas? So frozen bananas are a great way to make an ice cream creamy and healthy so that...
Slippery.
It is slippery. So that you can enjoy it with the whole family, and then when friends come over, you can take it out and everyone can have some. So the best time to freeze bananas is before, just before they go overripe, but when they're a little brown. So as you can see here, they've turned a little brown, and these are frozen, and you need, for this recipe, you need 3 frozen bananas. I'm gonna throw that in there. Oh, 3 frozen bananas. What else do you need for this recipe?
Maple syrup.
Olive's favourite, maple syrup. So it's 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, and you don't have to put the maple syrup in there because the frozen bananas are quite ripe and they're sweet. So we just like that extra sweetness. And mangoes, so 1 cup of frozen mangoes. They're cheap at the supermarket. So 1 cup of frozen mangoes. This is my version of a cup, so don't be scared to add extra if you want. And 1 cup of coconut cream, which is delicious in this recipe. And what else do we need? I think that's it. It's such a simple recipe. Let's get blending. Let me just give you some advice. If you don't have a strong blender, so a high-speed blender, just let it thaw for maybe 20 minutes. So let everything just sit there for 20 minutes before you start blending, okay? Let's go. Okay, we're done. It is so loud, isn't it, the consistency? It's like soft serve, just to start. But then, can you see that? Look how delicious that is. We love to just serve it, like after dinner, I make it and we just serve it on some fruit, which Olive has already eaten. I've got some fruit here. And, oh, you have to wait. You have to wait for that. Okay, there you go. So let it freeze overnight, and then when you're going to serve it, let it sit out for 20 minutes before you serve it, and it'll actually be like ice cream, the consistency of ice cream. Now it's like soft serve, and we love it like this because it's really creamy, and it is just like soft serve, a sweet soft serve. Enjoy.